Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest device from Vivo under the V series, the Vivo V11 Pro. So Vivo V11 Pro is a successor of the Vivo V9 announced a couple of months back in India. So the Vivo V11 Pro comes with a really great hardware, and Vivo has brought in the in-display fingerprint scanner to the V series for the first time. So we have seen the in-display fingerprint scanner, that's the industry first announced by Vivo along with the X21. Then we saw that on the Vivo Next, the flagship device, and now finally we have the in-display fingerprint scanner coming to the V series. So that's the Vivo V11 Pro with in-display fingerprint scanner. So in this video we'll talk about the device, so we'll do the unboxing, we'll show you some camera samples, and we'll also show you the software interface. So this is the box packing of the Vivo V11 Pro. Again, you can see the in-display fingerprint scanning, and on the back panel you can see that the specifications mentioned here: full view display 3.0, and we have a dual pixel camera, that's something really important, and we have 6GB RAM. So there is a lot of upgrades to this device, and this is priced 25,990. That's a pretty good pricing for this device. So in this video we'll unbox it, and then we'll talk about the specifications as well. So let's get started with the unboxing. So opening up, you can see the small box on the top. So this box comes with a case, so this is the case included, a clear case is included with the box pack, and then we have the product specifications. You can see the SAR value is also included, and other details are also included. You can see 3400 mAh capacity battery, and it has a 25 megapixel selfie camera, and our rear camera is 12 megapixel with a 5 megapixel secondary camera. So that's the manual and warranty information. Then we have the Vivo V11 Pro included. So let's just take this out of the case. So there you go, that's the Vivo V11 Pro, and at the bottom panel we have the micro USB charging slot, the 3.5mm audio jack, and the speaker unit. The back panel has this curved finishing, which actually looks really good. You can see that the dual finishing looks really good. It is the starry night color, which has a dual tone, black tone at the top, and this bluish and purple tint to the bottom, which looks really good. We have this dual camera. It is a dual pixel camera with a 12 and 5 megapixel camera combination, LED flash, and the build quality is pretty good and looks really nice as well. So the right side houses the power and volume keys, the left side has a SIM tray, and we also get the Vivo branding at the back. So that's the Vivo V11 Pro. Now let's boot this device, and we'll show you what else comes inside the box. So taking this out, so this device supports fast charging, dual engine fast charging is what Vivo claims. So the voltage rating is 5 volt at 2 ampere and 9 volt at 2 ampere. So that means 18 watt fast charging supported. That's pretty good. And then you get a good quality earphones as well. That's typical Vivo earphones, it's pretty good quality. And finally we have the micro USB charging and data syncing cable. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the interface. That's the Vivo V11 Pro. You can see that the new full view display, and you can see the camera unit and the notch has been reduced. You can see that you get a lot more screen space with this kind of notch, and looks really good. And the important aspect is that this comes with a Super AMOLED panel that makes the display again really vibrant and crisp. You can see that the viewing angles are really great. You get excellent viewing angles, and the color reproduction is pretty spot on, and the Super AMOLED panel is a treat to use. So that's the Super AMOLED panel on the Vivo V11 Pro. So the touch response is also extremely fast and responsive. Now talking about the hardware, the device is powered by the Snapdragon 660 octa-core chipset. That's one of the really powerful mid-range chipsets available with a cryo architecture, and this has 6GB RAM and 64GB internal storage being offered. Now let's have a look at the settings panel. You can see this device runs on Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box, and we have this Fun Touch OS on top of that. This is the latest version of Fun Touch. So going to the About Phone, we'll just show you the other options. So About Phone, you can see that Android version is Android 8.1, and security patch level is from August, 2 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 AIE octa-core chipset, and the Fun Touch OS version is 4.5. So that's the Vivo V11 Pro. So the display size is 6.41 inches in screen size, 19.5:9 aspect ratio, with halo full screen full view display, and looks pretty good. Now the cameras on this device is a 12 megapixel shooter, and we have a secondary 5 megapixel camera for depth sensing, and this is a dual pixel sensor, and the front panel we have a 25 megapixel selfie camera. Now looking at the camera interface, so you can see that the typical Vivo interface, you can see that AI face beauty, take photo, videos, AR stickers, the portrait mode is included, and all the options are included, including professional mode is included. You can control the various aspects of the photo, and the selfie camera also provides bokeh shots. So that's the selfie and the rear camera of the Vivo V11 Pro. So here are some of the samples we have taken with the Vivo V11 Pro. We'll be coming up with a detailed camera review pretty soon. So overall, in the first impressions, we felt the camera is a really good camera, especially with the backlight HDR option. The images taken with low light looks really good. Now the phone comes with a 3400 mAh capacity battery, and this comes with dual engine fast charging. That should be again good enough for more than a day of battery life. So we'll also be testing the battery life on this device, so stay tuned for that. So overall, Vivo V11 Pro is a really great upgrade to the Vivo V9, which was announced a few months back. So this device will retail for $25,990 and will be available in retail stores and offline partners. So you can also pre-book the device starting now. So that's the Vivo V11 Pro. So this is the unboxing and hands-on. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirma signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.